That is a huge misconception that people have, is that you need this fan base and subscriber base of millions of people. With these 10 strategies, I'm going to show you how you can make big money with the small channel. So this is insane because my Google AdSense in this past 4-month, 5-month time frame has quadrupled, more than quadrupled. What's up guys? In this video, you're going to learn how to earn money on YouTube and 10 tips and strategies for beginners. My name is Marissa and welcome to this channel. And you may or may not be one of those people that think that you need millions of views and thousands of subscribers to make a good living off of YouTube. That is a huge misconception that people have, is that you need this fan base and subscriber base of millions of people to make a lot of money on YouTube. Today I'm here to crush all those limiting beliefs and give you a great roadmap on how you can get up and started with YouTube and start your income streams on your new YouTube channel today. With these 10 strategies, I'm going to show you how you can make big money with the small channel, and not only that, how I was able to generate a 5-figure income with just a 4-figure subscriber base, and now a 6-figure income with only a 5-figure subscriber base. And my goal now is going for that 7-figure income once I hit a 6-figure subscriber base. All right, so strategy number 1 is live streaming. If you're somebody who is a live streamer already, maybe you do it on, TikTok or Instagram or something like that, and you feel comfortable doing it on YouTube, streamlabs.com is a really great website where you can have people donate to the cause of what you're doing. You could also host different things on there like merchandise, and we'll talk about that later on in this video. But live streaming is a great way to start generating some extra income and revenue from your YouTube channel. And the cool thing with Streamlabs is that you can accept payment with PayPal and credit card, and I think there's another option, I'm not quite sure, but if you're into live streaming, that is the way to go. All right, so coming in at strategy number 2 for earning money on YouTube is to create a viral video. And don't take that one lightly, because that one has been a game changer for my YouTube channel this year. It really only takes one video to carry all the weight for your YouTube channel and to bring you that audience. And what does audience mean? Audience means traffic. Traffic means revenue. Now, before we get into today's tips and tricks, please understand that none of this is going to work unless you have a specific topic related channel or a niche channel. You want to win the click. Now, how do you do that? It boils down to 2 things, and that is your thumbnail and that is your title. Those 2 things together are very, very, very powerful. You want to have a thumbnail that is emotionally enticing, that is going to attract a viewer, that is, potentially a video that is on suggested traffic, and those are a little bit smaller. And you want to have a title on that thumbnail that is emotionally attracting, like, damn, I need to click that video right now. So what I tell people is the idea of the title is to say, okay, kind of like a newspaper. You read a title and you're like, yeah, I want to read that article. But a thumbnail title is like, yes, I need to read this article, or I need to watch this video, or else I'm going to miss out on some information. You want your viewers and audience to have that FOMO, or fear of not watching your content. To give YouTube a good reason to make your video go viral. Now, what do I mean by this? In all my 2 years of being a YouTuber, I've boiled viral videos down to 3 things. They fall into one of these 3 categories. And the first one is, it is entertaining and trendy. Videos that are about trending topics right now going on in the news, or that are super entertaining, always win. The next category of viral video is emotionally triggering. So this is huge, because here's the thing, this goes back to the good old saying of Maya Angelou: people will always remember how you make them feel. All right, so the last category on why YouTube makes your videos go viral is it is super valuable. So this is my jam. All of the videos that I teach on my channel are valuable. I teach people a skill that I know how to do. Keep viewers on the platform. How do you do this? The main thing is, after you win that click, what are you gonna do with people when they start to watch your video? You have to keep them interested in your video. So how do you do that? It's all about the retention within that first minute of the video. Let me tell you guys a metric to look for with your videos once you start to post videos. The sooner you can hit 75% retention within the first 60 seconds, viral. It's actually way harder to do that than people think. Strategy number 3 is merchandise and selling your own products on your channel. A lot of people think actually that merchandise is you pop your logo on, some tank tops, some t-shirts, some coffee cups, and call it a day. I mean, that's cool if you want to do that. definitely do that. But if you expand your designs on your merchandise to appeal to a wider audience, but still in your market or industry. So for example, I'm a YouTuber. So if I make merch, put my logo on there, that's cool. But what if I, came up with some phrases or some designs that would appeal to all YouTubers in any niche or any category, like, got YouTube, or, something corny like that. Something, maybe some struggles that all YouTubers go through that other YouTubers can relate to. That's what I mean by expanding your audience with your merchandise, is kind of appealing to everybody. Coming in at number 4 for ways to make an income stream and make money on YouTube is sponsorship and brand deals with other companies. Now, I like this one a lot because this one appeals to the channels that have smaller audiences and a smaller amount of subscribers, because even channels that have less than 10,000 subscribers could easily get a brand deal or sponsorship, because it works well for the company because they are taking advantage of such a niche specific audience that you have. So don't get discouraged to reach out to a company in your industry, in your niche, and ask them, hey, I'll make this video for you, or I'll promote your curriculum or whatever services they offer. So another example is with being a brand ambassador, you could get paid as well for creating the videos, and if you make sales from the products that you sell from that video, so you're also going to get a commission with whatever product or service you sell from creating that video on your YouTube channel. If you're liking this video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. And if you really are serious about building a wildly successful 6-figure YouTube channel, I highly suggest that you download my subscribers to sales blueprint located on the first link in the description below. All right, so coming in at number 5 is coaching and consulting. Now, don't take this one lightly. This is one of my main income streams that I have from my YouTube channel. So YouTube is the #1 platform, period, for social media and to grow your business online, especially if you are in the coaching and consulting niche. So the idea is you're giving massive value on your YouTube channel about topics that you coach or consult about, and that way you're attracting people who want to learn more about this topic and who want you to solve their major problem in their life. So group coaching is a business model that's absolutely crushing it online, because if you're doing one-on-one coaching, that's great, but it is limited and it's not scalable, because you can't one-on-one consult just a bunch of people and keep getting more and more people. You have to find a way to impact more people, and a good way to do that is with group coaching. So instead, you're able to impact more people and have a group setting of coaching. So coach maybe 10 people at a time instead of 1 person at a time, and that way you get paid more and you're able to serve more people. All right, so coming in at number 6 is affiliate marketing. Also one of my favorites and one of my main income streams, and as a matter of fact, a way that I was able to produce 6 figures alone with just using affiliate marketing. At one point, I was able to, alone, just with promoting affiliate products, cross 6 figures in my online business. So don't underestimate promoting other people's products and getting a commission. So think about any one of your favorite brands, and chances are 99% of the time there is an affiliate product, there is an affiliate program, referral program, partnership program, whatever you want to call it. So essentially you're driving people and you're showing people this product, and it's not your product, but if you make the sale, you get a commission anywhere from 10% and sometimes up to 90 or 100%. And the number 7 way we can make money on YouTube is with crowdfunding. This works really well if you are offering additional perks to your audience. And the first thing that we mentioned is Patreon, because Patreon is a way where people can donate to your cause, and it also offers a way where you could offer them additional content, additional behind the scenes, and more detailed information into the topics of what you talk about on your YouTube channel. So it's really a win-win to create a recurring revenue every single month. Some people just do this for the donations. I mean, even with PayPal, you could put up your PayPal link on your YouTube channel and just tell people, hey, if you like this content, you could send donations here to support the channel. But really, if you're doing something like wanting to charge a monthly fee, I think that you should really be giving back and adding more additional content to the people who are willing to go all in, be your #1 supporters and fans, and really pay that extra price per month. And coming in at number 8 for ways to make money with YouTube is with physical products and selling and creating your own physical products. For example, let's say you have a channel on knitting and you're teaching people how to knit. One thing you could do is create a physical product, maybe like a knitting template, and sell those. You can sell like a knitting kit and maybe sell it on Etsy or maybe your e-commerce store. So it could be the online component, but it still could be a physical product. And the cool thing with physical products is it could be as unique as you want it to go with your brand, a product that's not already in the marketplace. All right, and coming in at number 9, we have Google AdSense. So what exactly is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is when then you get approved for the YouTube Partnership Program, which means you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month time frame. But once you hit those requirements, you can apply to get approved for this program. And once you do, YouTube/Google starts to pay you for the advertisements that play on your channel, such as the beginning ad roll and the end roll advertisements that you see on different people's YouTube channels. And as you can see with this screenshot, I'm almost able to hit a 5-figure income with just Google AdSense alone. It does take hard work, and it does take a focus and dedication, and also a very niche specific YouTube channel, because you can't have a random YouTube channel talking about whatever you want. You have to give value on one topic that you're an expert at. You'll be positioning yourself as the expert, and that is why I continue to get more and more advertisements on my channel, is because I have a very niche specific audience. So if your channel is about cooking or about, dieting and nutrition, maybe you're a lawyer and you have a channel about being a lawyer, the list goes on. But the point is, the more specific your YouTube channel, the higher you're going to get paid per 1,000 views, and the more money you'll make with Google AdSense. Alright, so coming in at number 10 is selling your own digital products and services. Now this is hands down the best route to go. If you have a YouTube channel and if you're utilizing it for your business, you want to create a product as fast as you can. Because again, I have made this amount of money from selling my products and services in one day on YouTube, because people will pay a lot of money for your knowledge if it will dramatically change their situation or the problems in their lives. The key is to treat YouTube like a business. That's where people go wrong, is like, oh, I'm not making any money from my channel. Well, you're posting content that people don't really care about, that you like but other people don't find valuable, and you're not offering anything for people to buy. And so that's why your YouTube channel is not profitable, is because you're not treating it like a business. So people ask, okay, well, where do I start with selling something? And I say, okay, the first thing I would do is create a lead magnet, create an ebook, a mini course, a PDF, a free training, a free webinar where people can opt in. They'll give you their name and their email in exchange for this free piece of content, which is called a lead magnet. And this brings me to my next point. You have to start building your list. So how do you build your list? Is with giving away a lead magnet. When people say, check out my free whatever, that's them building their email list, because your email list is very important to have, because it is yours. That is your audience that YouTube, that Instagram, that Facebook cannot take away from you. The next step is to create a digital product. As I said, you can create a digital video product. You can have a membership site. You can offer your services on a website where people can directly book a coaching call with you. Maybe you charge $100 an hour and people can book directly on your calendar and pay you from your YouTube description. The other thing you can do is create a digital book and publish it on Amazon. You can also have an e-commerce store on your channel. The list goes on and on of the ways you can monetize and create your own product for YouTube. So again, whatever product that you create, you want to make sure it is accessible in the description of your YouTube channel, because that is where your traffic is going to go to reference more information, to learn more about the video, to see what kind of resources you have to offer. So my advice to you is to start with one product, make it profitable and scale it up, and then create another type of product, and that way you're generating multiple streams of income from your YouTube channel. So you're just not relying on one product, you're not just relying on Google AdSense, you're not just relying on your coaching. You have lots of income streams filling that bucket. Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to check out this video where I talk about how to start a YouTube channel and grow it from absolute zero in a quick and easy guide for beginners. So that starts right now. Looking to optimize your YouTube channel for the most views, the most subscribers, and raving fans of your brand? When you feel like your channel is not getting views, don't give up